guys, welcome back to Motion. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to uh, get the pinstripe off, and this is the first time using it, so if we screw up, it's screwed up. So you'll be first to see me screw up. So you just need a drill, and I picked this up off of one of them Facebook Market. I think it's was it? Yeah, I think it's one of them Facebook advertisements, or maybe it might have been eBay. I'm not sure. Regardless, it came from China. Okay, so this is what comes in the package. I guess you gotta put this little screw in. That this end will go to the drill, and this is really soft. Okay, it's almost like an eraser, so I can't see it scratching up anything. Okay, so it's pretty soft. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just wipe it down a little bit. You know, just in case there's any kind of dirt and stuff that I've used the car today to get some stuff done on it. Okay, so here we go. From what I've read, I don't think you can screw it up, but it's always that possibility. Oops. I screwed that one up. Alright. Guess it wasn't untied enough. Alright, here we go. I guess we'll start right here just because it's kind of a little screwed up right there. Here we go. Alright, let's go ahead and look at it. Let's see how it looks. Looks good. I mean, there's no damage to the paint. I'll go get this towel here and wipe it down. Yeah, I'll have to like buff it when I'm done. Wow, that looks really good. Yeah, look at that. There's no paint damage whatsoever. Wow. Wow, that's impressive. Alright, so Ken, show them this is the last time that you're gonna see this paint stripe. Straight back down to the front to the back. Okay. We're not all about that. We're not about that pinstripe. Alright, here we go. rubber. Looks like the silver is coming off a little bit easier than the red, just because I think the red's got a thicker line. I mean, regardless, it's coming off easy. It looks like the technique is to use either the outer edges. To hit it like right here would not work, but any of the outer edges would work. Okay, so I'm just hitting it like this. Come in here, Ken. Kind of like that. And it's working good. It's just gonna take time. I think maybe if you try to use a heat gun too, might soften it up a little bit, but I don't know. I don't think that's good to use the heat gun with this at the same time, because it might get the paint too soft. So I wouldn't use the heat gun. I would just keep doing like this, and it's coming off. It's just taking time. Good thing is no paint is damaged. No surface of the car is getting damaged. Okay, so I'm getting a little bit annoyed with this now. Just gonna go ahead and wipe this down so you all can see it. So this is one of the things that annoyed me about this car, was the pinstriping. And finally I got the nerve to use this thing and clean it off. I'm gonna try something here. Oh yeah. So this here, all this here is just ammonia. I'm just gonna get as much off as I can quickly and just wipe it with a towel, just in case if the ammonia irritates the paint, which I don't think it does. But all it's doing now is just taking off the residual and the residue from the pinstriping. It's looking mighty good. I'm very impressed. Wow. What do you think? Are you impressed, Ken? Mm-hmm. Yes, I am truly impressed. Okay. There you go, you guys. Looks like a little bit more right here. I think all that I can buff out later, but for now, as you guys can see, pinstriping is all gone. Huh? Okay, so here's pinstriping over here. Okay, Alright, so I'm going to finish the rest and then shoot the final shot when it's all off. Alright, so I finally got finished with removing all the pinstriping. It looks great, everything is great. Unfortunately it's kind of dark out right now, so I'm gonna try to show you the best that I can with the LED light right here. I should be able to compound it and polish it when I have the time to do that next. I mean, other than that, it looks good. No damage to the paint whatsoever. I was so impressed with that. I'm very skeptical at first about it, but it worked out great. See a little bit of like red stain from the pinstriping. Whether you can see it or not. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close it up by saying I hope that you find that pinstriping removal tool, eraser, helpful. It was a pain in the butt to have that pinstriping on the legend, and I finally was able to find a way to get it off safely without damaging the paint. Here's what it looks like, just for future references. Okay, the only thing you need is power tool, and this is what it comes. You just attach it to the power tool, and you work on the outer edges to remove any of the tape or glue or whatever pinstriping. Okay. Other than that, it's great stuff. It doesn't damage your paint, as far as with my car. Okay, so with anything when it comes to paint and stuff like that, use at your own discretion. Okay, so if you feel comfortable doing it, do it. If you don't do it. Okay. Always experiment with something small. That way, if you do, you know, rub into a little bit, it's not going to be too bad. Practice it on something. I mean, shoot, get a sticker and slap it onto a one of your bad bumper that you have laying around, or you know, just like a bucket, you know, like one of these buckets right here. Okay, slap it on there, let it stick there for a week or so, and come back and test it out, see how that works for you. Okay, so you can test it that way. So I'm gonna close it up and say, you know, thank you for watching my videos, and like always, like, share, and subscribe. Peace. Stay in motion.